Hey there, money enthusiasts. Franklin Green here, your favorite frog in a sharp suit, bringing you the basics of Bitcoin. If you've heard of this mysterious cryptocurrency but still have no idea how it works, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll break down Bitcoin for beginners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the world of digital currency. 1. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that allows you to send and receive money online without the need for banks or middlemen. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain. Imagine it as a global digital ledger where all transactions are recorded for transparency and security. Think of Bitcoin as the digital gold. It's valuable, scarce, and can be used for transactions across the world. No physical coins here, just pure digital currency. 2. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin operates through a system called blockchain technology. When you make a Bitcoin transaction, it gets recorded in a block on the blockchain. This record is then verified by miners who solve complex mathematical problems to ensure the transaction is valid. Once verified, the transaction is added to the chain and can't be altered. This makes Bitcoin highly secure and transparent. Bitcoin's value is determined by supply and demand, much like gold. The total supply is capped at 21 million Bitcoins, making it deflationary and resistant to inflation. 3. How do you buy Bitcoin? To buy Bitcoin, you need to use a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. After signing up, you can link your bank account or use a credit card to purchase Bitcoin. Once you've bought it, you can store it in a digital wallet, which can be online, offline, or even on hardware devices for extra security. It's important to start small, especially if you're new to the world of crypto. Don't rush to invest large sums. Always do your research first. 4. Is Bitcoin safe? Yes, Bitcoin is secure thanks to blockchain technology, but like anything, there are risks involved. Cybersecurity is crucial. Make sure to store your Bitcoin in a secure wallet, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys with anyone. Another thing to remember, Bitcoin's price can be very volatile. It's important to be prepared for fluctuations and only invest what you're willing to lose. 5. Why should you consider Bitcoin? Bitcoin offers several benefits. It's decentralized, meaning no government or bank controls it. It's global. You can send Bitcoin to anyone, anywhere without intermediaries. It's secure and transparent thanks to blockchain technology. It's also considered a hedge against inflation, especially in times of economic uncertainty. Bitcoin may not be for everyone, but it's definitely worth learning about. Whether you're looking to invest or just understand the technology behind it, Bitcoin is an exciting step into the future of finance. I hope you now have a better understanding of Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. And remember, when it comes to Bitcoin, knowledge is key. Always stay informed and make smart choices. See you next time.